Poloo is a snack that is enjoyed by everybody. It's crunchy, it's delicious, and you're always going to want more. Before we get started, let me welcome you all to my channel. This is your passionate food lover, and you're most welcome. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below for me. Thank you. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and just a pinch of salt. I'm just going ahead to stir everything together till everything is well incorporated. And into this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cold margarine. Let's get interactive on social media. You can send me a message on Instagram and I'll be glad to reply you. I'll link my Instagram down below. So if you have any questions in regards to YouTube, cooking, whatever it is, I'll be glad to reply you. Thank you. With clean hands, I'm just mixing my margarine and flour mixture so that everything is well incorporated till I have that grainy texture. That's what I'm looking for. So I'll just go ahead and then add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk into this and then form a dough out of it. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps me. It helps others to also see my channel, and please share my videos also. And then please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I really appreciate you all so much for subscribing to my channel. Your girl is really grateful. Thank you. Now that the dough is formed, I'm just going ahead to spread some flour on my working table and then roll out the dough so that I have a flat surface to work with. It's important that you apply some amount of flour on your working table and then on your rolling pin so that your dough do not stick onto these things. Now that I'm content with how my dough is rolled out, I'm just going ahead to trim off the edges so that I have a perfect line to work with. Let me point out, however, that these edges also make perfect poloo, so please don't throw them away. Use them and then you're good to go. What I'm doing now is shaping up my dough. We're not looking to have perfect squares, but we're looking for something close. So I'm just shaping it up and then cutting it across just to get that perfect or not so perfect squares. Remember the edges that I was talking about? I'm just going ahead to cut them also and shape them because, like I said, they also make the perfect poloo or chin chin. In a heated pan with cooking oil, we're going to fry our poloo. It will really take a long time to fry, so you would want to pay attention to it, and immediately it turns golden brown, your poloo or your chin chin is ready. Our poloo is half through frying, so I'm just going to leave it on the burner for some time till I get that golden consistency that I'm looking for. Now, this is what I'm looking for. Look at that perfect brown, golden brown poloo. It looks so crunchy. It looks so beautiful. I mean, look at that color. Look at that golden brown color. It's so crunchy. I'm just going to pour it out and then serve it to my family right now. It's time for me to taste. Oh, thank you all so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. I really appreciate you all so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. You guys are the real MVPs. God bless you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.